This is TimeBucks Payment Proof. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to cash out and withdraw your funds from TimeBucks. You can see I currently have over $12 in my TimeBucks wallet. These are current payment methods you can get on TimeBucks platform: Airtm, Skrill, virtual card, Bitcoin, Litecoin. I have done a quite number of videos of step-by-step process of how to create your account. Also, you can easily make money from this platform. These are other tasks, multiple tasks you can do, and the amount that you will make when you execute this task, doing microtask jobs online with your phone. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. But first, how do you withdraw your money and cash out from TimeBucks? To withdraw your money from TimeBucks, you come to Settings. From the Setting menu, you click Payment Method. It is very important for you to know that on TimeBucks, you don't need to initiate payment all the time. All you need to do is to set up your payment method once. So what I'm doing in this video is to set up the payment method that I've decided to use for this payment. And as soon as you do that, your account will not be debited immediately until the invoice is generated and payments are treated at the cutoff time. This platform will pay you every Thursday. It is automatic as long as you initiate your payment. And you currently have over $10, which is the minimum cash out limit on this platform. The payment method I'll be demonstrating is how to cash out TimeBucks through Airtm. So you click Airtm. TimeBucks also recommended Airtm payment method. You also see a video of how to create your Airtm account at the end of this video. Ensure you use my link, which is below the description of this very video, to sign up and create your Airtm account. If you do that, Airtm will be giving you instant $1 immediately you finish creating your account. All you need to do after you must have selected your Airtm is to put your Airtm email address. You can see I currently have this amount on my Airtm account. I already put in my email address. All you need to do is to update your Airtm payment by inserting your email and click update. You key your password, you check I'm not a robot, then you click update. A verification link has just been sent to your email address. You can see the link is in my email box. For you to complete the setup of your payment method on TimeBucks, you click on the link to confirm the payment method. You can see as soon as I clicked on the link, the payment method is confirmed and the email is updated. Remember, your balance will still remain the same. Look at it, the money is still in my account. The account is not yet debited because what I just did is to set up the payment method. So if you already set up your payment method before, all you need to do is to wait for the payment cutoff day for you to receive your funds. You can see I just received an email from Airtm. You received 12.27 USD. So if you click it, Airtm payment received. John, you received $12.27 from TimeBucks. You can see that my wallet has been debited and is at zero balance. This is my Airtm account. You can see the balance is now over $30. Payment received. This is the amount received as TimeBucks payment. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing this for me. You can now see that TimeBucks will pay you if you do the work. All you need to do is to come to TimeBucks platform. You see the link below the description of this video. There are so many great jobs that will pay you. Look at so many jobs with good pays. All you need to do is to sign up and start working, and you can be sure you get your money paid directly to your bank account in Nigeria and from any country you are watching me from. If you decide to use the payment method I've used, you can actually transfer your funds directly to your account in your country. You can see there are so many options to withdraw your money. You can withdraw your money directly to your bank account in Nigeria, and if you are watching me from any country, you see how you'll be able to withdraw to your bank account in your country. You can also use Pay Local. You click it. For instance, because I'm in Nigeria, you'll be able to transfer to your local currency or your USD currency. If you are transferring to your local currency, the maximum amount of dollars you can transfer at a go to get local currency is $30. you get 21,000 naira in Nigeria. You can see the rate here. You see that the rate is fairly better at 739 Nigerian naira. If you open a dollar account in Nigeria, you can transfer to your dollar account directly from this platform. If you are transferring $30, you will get $28 because this is dollar to dollar and the rate is a dollar to dollar, but they are charging $1.88. And you can also make money by becoming a cashier. The funds and the dollar you receive, you can exchange it for people that want dollar. You give them dollar, they will transfer the local currency to your account and you will earn commission in your country. I encourage you to sign up to Airtm. If you use my link, which is below the description of this video, Airtm will give you a gift of $1. Please do me a big favor. Subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. The next video will take you through how to create your Airtm step by step and what you need to do if you have a challenge. You will also see a video that will take you through 9 websites and apps that will help you make money doing microtask jobs online. Don't forget to drop your comments. Please like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.